Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with setting application not working on Windows 11. So for that, firstly you need to open the terminal. Simply right click on the Windows icon at the taskbar and click on Terminal Admin. Allow the permission and shortly a window will appear on your screen. In that window, you simply need to copy this code. You can simply take a screenshot of it and copy the code in your terminal admin. After that, click enter. Then after restart your device. So click on start menu and go to power option. Choose the option of restart and then you will be able to fix your issue with setting application. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.